Hey, this is Mark Spoonhour with Laptop Magazine, and today we're talking about Google Wallet. Imagine if you could replace this bulky thing with something that you already carry, your phone. This is the Nexus S from Sprint, and with an app, you can use this phone to not only pay for goods, but also redeem offers. We're going to show you what the app looks like, also how to make payments in the real world. Okay, so let's take a look at Google Wallet. What you can do on the Nexus S 4G for Sprint is download the Wallet app directly to your device. And once you launch the app, you'll see a few different options. One is payment cards, you have loyalty cards, my offers, and history, and we'll go through all those. The most important option is payment cards, and right now you have a couple of different options. If you have a Citibank MasterCard, you can enter all of your information and this will double as your credit card. You can just take that right out of your wallet. But even if you don't have that card, Google is trying to let everyone else on board with this prepaid card, and you can stock that with any credit card or debit card that you own, and that's what we did, and you can see our remaining balance right there. And what happens is that when you go to the retailer, you just hold up your phone when it's time to check out, and it's deducted automatically from the prepaid card. And Google is working to bring other vendors on board like Visa and Discover and Amex, but it's going to take a little time. And what you can see here is that you have other options. One is loyalty cards, and the idea is that with participating single tap merchants, that's what Google's calling it, you'll be able to redeem offers as well as pay for goods with that single tap or just holding up the device. And so right now the partners include American Eagle Outfitters and also Office Max. And they're going to be adding more partners as they go along. So the other cool thing is My Offers. I mean, it's one thing to be able to replace your bulky wallet with your phone, but Google is adding extra incentive by offering offers. And what you can do is shop for them in Google Shopper. So you can see here we have a couple of them that are already saved. So $3 off at Baskin Robbins. And in a lot of cases, what you do is just you show the coupon when you're ready to check out, and they'll take it off your bill. But the goal moving forward is, again, if you have a single tap merchant on your phone, you can just hold up your device and pay. And everything, from the offer itself to the loyalty points to the payment, all comes out with that single tap. Okay, last but not least, we have history. So Google Wallet doesn't offer receipts today. So what they call it are tap events. So you can see when you made the purchase and where, although you can turn that location off if you're worried about your privacy. But Google promises that over time they're going to be rolling out real receipts that'll be stored digitally on your device, and they should be secure because you have a built-in PIN. And we'll show you what that looks like. So what you can see here is that you can set your Google Wallet PIN, and it's just a 4-digit code, and you can also have a wallet timeout. And it can be from anywhere from 1 minute if you're going to be shopping at a lot of participating merchants. You might want to bump it up to 30 minutes. But it's a nice security feature that's built in. And Google promises that the NFC chip is only active when you're making the payment, which will cut down on the threat of wireless snoopers. So next we're going to show you what Google Wallet, how it works when you go to a participating retailer. All right, so we're here at a Duane Reade in New York City, and we wanted to show you how the PayPass application works. We picked up a couple of items. We have some gum and, of course, an issue of laptop, shameless plug. I'm going to show you how Google Wallet works in action.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Good. So we're going
to...
nope. So all we have to do is hold up the phone to the terminal right here. Make sure that it's on. You can see that it's sending the payment information right now. Then you have to select the payment type. In this case, we'll say credit. Click OK for the amount. And it tells you that the information was sent. So Google Wallet works pretty seamlessly.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Okay, thanks. So as you can see, all we had to do was just hold up the phone to the terminal, and we have our regular receipt here, but the next step, obviously, is for Google to integrate that into Google Wallet. But as far as we're concerned, it's off to a pretty good start. It makes paying for stuff easy, and you can also redeem rewards and offers. So as you can see, Google Wallet is pretty easy to use. It's just a tap and pay. We'd like to see Google and Sprint roll out a lot more locations so that you can use Google Wallet and the application in more places. But overall, we like it because it can save you time and money when you roll in things like offers and loyalty cards. This is Mark Spoonower with Laptop Magazine, and this is Google Wallet.